Hey guys, hope all is well. Today we've been focusing on similarity, so I am going to go over an example of the type of questions you're going to be asked to complete. And for this first question, everybody's going to get it right because I'm going to basically give y'all the answer. But I want y'all to understand it, so this is where you guys take notes and pay attention. You should be writing this out in your worksheet that I gave you for this assignment. So they said determine if triangle RST and triangle UVW are or are not similar, and if they are, state how you know. So let's go right into it, right? So we're going to look at the sides and look at the angles. We have this angle in between these two sides, right? We have that angle 63 in between these two sides. And the same thing goes for this. We have this angle in between these two sides. So we have to ask ourselves, are these two triangles similar? And if so, by which method? You've learned three methods today. You've learned side, 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 angle, side, and angle, angle. Now, this is probably side angle side, but we have to check if it's side angle side. It's not side 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 because we don't know this side in this triangle, nor do we know this side in this triangle. It is not angle angle because we don't know more than two angles in both triangles, right? We only know this angle in this triangle. We don't know another angle in that triangle, so it can't be angle angle. So we have to see if it's side 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 angle side. So one way to do it is by looking at the sides, right? We have 17 and 25. This is the shorter side, and then we have 51 and 75. This is the shorter side. So this is short side, and this is the short side. So we can compare both of them. These should in theory be corresponding to each other, right? So we can divide 51 by 17. And we're going to do the same thing for the other two sides. And then 75 by 25. So basically we have to ask ourselves, are these two fractions equivalent? So let's literally divide or cross multiply, doesn't matter. So we're going to do just that. So 51 divided by 17 is 3. And 75 divided by 25 is also 3. So this works. And since they have an angle, the same angle in between both of those sides, these two triangles are similar by side, side, side. So with that said, we're going to select R, and this is going to be a bit tricky for some of you, right? So it's not side, side, side because we don't know all three sides like we said. It's not the second one either. You're going to see two side angle sides. And I need you to read carefully. It says two sides proportionate and included angle congruent. This is the included, oops, sorry. Let me go back. Exit drawing. Okay, sorry guys. This is the included angle. So I'm just dropping this down. So when they talk about included angle, they're talking about the angle in between them. So this angle is what they're referring to. So the included angles are congruent. All right, the included angles are congruent. And when they say proportionate, they're talking about this 51 over 17 is equal to 75 over 25. That's what it means by proportionate. These two fractions are equal, so they're proportionate. All right, so that's what we're going to choose, and that is basically the answer for this question. All right, and if you choose it, it's going to be marked yes. So you're now going to complete these questions, and you're expected to get 7 correct. It's going to vary from question to question. Some might be side, side, side. Some might be side, angle, side. Some might be angle, angle. But for some cases, the triangles may not be similar, right? You have to check if they're similar or not. So with that said, go ahead and try it. Don't be afraid to get stuff wrong. And if you need help, ask your peers or myself. Thank you guys for watching.